Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 3 simple evening snack recipes with bread. So let's begin. First one is chicken bread roll. For this I am taking 2 chicken breast pieces. Washing it. Cutting into cubes. Adding some pepper and salt. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes until they get well cooked. Chicken cooked well. Let this cool down. Grinding this and making a coarse mixture to prepare filling for this bread roll. So this is ready. To prepare filling, I am taking 1 finely chopped onion, 1 small sized ginger and 2 green chilies. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, adding finely chopped green chilies and ginger, onions, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of less spicy chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well, adding coarse mixture of chicken. Add salt if required. This to cool down. Trim the edges of the bread slices. Steam cook this for 2 minutes so that this will be flexible and we can roll it properly. Flatten the bread slices with a rolling pin. Add some chicken filling, rolling it tightly. Dipping this in the egg whites. For this I took 2 whole egg and separating egg whites and yolks. Once we dip bread rolls into the egg whites, we need to coat them well with breadcrumbs. Making all the bread rolls like this. These bread rolls are ready to fry. Heat enough oil for deep frying, dropping bread rolls one by one once it is medium hot. When it turns brown in color, transfer this into an oil absorbent paper. Let's prepare everything like this. So these crispy chicken bread rolls are ready to serve. Serve it along with some tomato ketchup. You can refrigerate it and fry this whenever you require. This will last for 2 weeks. Next recipe is bread upma. So let's see how to make that. We need 2 eggs, 1 onion, 2 to 6 slices of bread. Right now I am using white bread. Breaking eggs, whisking it. Trim the edges of the bread slices if you want. We need 1 onion, chopping them into very fine pieces. 1 small sized ginger, 1 tomato, cut them into cubes. Using a grinder, making breadcrumbs out of the bread slices. So it's ready. Masalas we need: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoon of chili powder. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, adding finely chopped ginger and onions. Adding chopped tomatoes. Wait until they become soft. Adding masalas, turmeric powder and chili powder. Mix well. Add some salt. Adding prepared egg batter. Egg should be in the form of scrambled egg. My camera did not record that portion. Now we need to add coarsely ground bread. Give it a good mix. Finally, some coriander leaves. So our delicious egg bread upma is ready to serve. If you are a vegetarian, you can avoid egg and follow the same method to make delicious bread upma. Next recipe is French toast. For this I am taking 3 eggs, adding ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder and sugar. Whisk it well. Heat a non-stick pan, drizzle some ghee. Dip bread slices into the prepared egg batter and toast it. Flip the sides and cook it well. I used 7 slices of milk bread for this. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.